Unit 1. Supply. Lesson 3. Labels, Tracing and Certification.
The lesson deals with the services used for the manufacturing process of wood products and the supply of these products on markets. The learning objectives can be summarized as follows. Labels, which contain the general context of labeling, kinds of furniture for eco-labeling, the life cycle of furniture, obstacles and opportunities for new eco-label, criteria of the labels, and standards for furniture. Tracing, which contains the traceability, inspection, chain of custody, control and checking actions. Certification, which contains the labeling and certificates.
The lesson content introduces topics regarding the general context of labeling, the life cycle of furniture, wood certification, and the standards for furniture.
The general context of labeling includes the criteria for environmentally friendly furniture, the relevant information on price, quality and appropriate traders, and the health and ecological arguments. The content of the label also provides features that are used for the distinguish of the several kinds of furniture for eco-label. These features are based on the functionality, which includes seating furniture, tables, beds, shelves, cupboards and other furniture. On the location of use, which includes indoor and outdoor furniture. On furniture which are client-oriented, which includes domestic furniture, children's furniture and contract furniture. And on furniture which are based on material and technical complexity, which includes upholstered furniture and furniture for special uses. The knowledge of the life cycle of furniture provides information regarding the understanding of the raw materials, the environmental aspects related to the materials, the energy consumption of materials, the use and disposal of furniture, lifetime, ease of disassembly, reuse, recycling, and the environmental assessment of components of furniture.
Other important parts of labeling include the knowledge of the criteria of the labels, like the actual testing analysis, the declaration of the manufacturer, the declaration of the suppliers, the distinguishment of product groups, and the addressing requirements for production materials. However, there are several obstacles and opportunities for a new eco-label, like the lack of consumer preference for eco-labeled products, the need for addressing differences between state regulations and labeling, and the need for integration of other labels, like PFC, in the criteria of the new label. An eco-label generates prospects of substantial benefits in the market, and the need for green procurement gives priority to eco-labeled products. As for the furniture regulations in the European Union, there are safety regulations and labeling requirements applicable to furniture products, including standards for furniture, the furniture and standards, the children's furniture rules, and furniture fire safety standards.
The tracing systems are systems that provide accurate, timely, and consistent information about material flows and processes through the supply chain. These tracking and tracing systems can be used in the furniture industry sector for the monitoring, control and management of processes. The usage of these systems includes applications such as finding the source of recalls, proof of product quality and origin, and improving logistics and production processes. These systems provide analytical information regarding the uses of wood, plastics, metal, textile and leather as production materials. Through the tracing systems, critical information can be detected on these materials, like the existence of substances and heavy metals, the effects of the use of a coating, the hazardous emissions, etc.
The wood certification is considered a procedure that confirms that a specific area of forest is being managed in line with the specific principles and criteria of the certification body. Different certification bodies exist, with the most well-known appeared to be FSC certification and PFC certification. FSC certification is a global certification system ensuring that products come from responsibly managed forests that provide environmental, social and economic benefits. PFC certification is an international organization, not only focuses on the ethical aspects of sustainable forest management but also the processing of timber, resulting in a larger emphasis on the supply chain than FSC. Another form of certification, the eco-label, is a label of environmental excellence that is awarded to products and services meeting high environmental standards throughout their life cycle, from raw material extraction, to production, distribution and disposal. 1. The eco-labels are marks placed on product packaging or in e-catalogs that can help consumers and institutional purchasers quickly and easily identify those products that meet specific environmental performance criteria. 2. There are different eco-labeling types according to ISO standards like Ecolabels Type I. European Ecolabel is one example of them. Other certified ecolabels, one example is a chain of custody certification FSC and PFC, self-declarations ecolabels, Type 2, declarations of environmental product ecolabels, Type 3. The eco-labeling in the wood furniture sector guarantees that wood is from legal sustainably managed forests, use of hazardous substances is restricted, harmful residues are limited, and low formaldehyde emissions of the product. The main eco-labeling criteria for the wood furniture sector include furniture testing, durability, safety, traceability of wood and wooden parts from legal forestry, wood that comes from certified sustainable forestry, strict chemical requirements, recyclability of used parts for furniture manufacturing, the possibility of reuse and/or recycle parts of furniture. It can be concluded that the mission of the labeling, tracing and certification is to ensure that all furniture products and their installations meet quality, safety, sustainability and best value. In addition, understanding the basics of safety regulations and labeling requirements applicable to furniture products has great importance. Furthermore, the required standards in the furniture sector and the conducted certifications on the furniture products give confidence in the commercial furniture industry. Finally, it can be concluded that an eco-label generates prospects of substantial benefits with high attractiveness in the market, and generates higher revenues.